What's up, guys? Alright, so today I'm taking out the SR9c just so you guys can get a good look at how it looks. I absolutely love this firearm right here. Check it out. Just kind of want you guys to be able to check it out. This is the gun that I'm always screaming. It's the Ruger SR9c. It's the gun that I'm always screaming I'm so accurate with. It is bullets in a mag, but it's not loaded. But it's not loaded, all right? Bullets in the mag, but it's not loaded. I'm about to head out, go hang out with a few buddies of mine. And let me kind of show you. I usually, when I'm wearing jeans, I usually rock it about 3 o'clock. So where it falls right about here. And that's it, man. Let me know. You can't see it, right? You can't see it. Nobody's gonna know. SR9c, if you got any questions, comments, thoughts on the gun, let me know. And I'm in the comment section with you. Like, subscribe, share. If you've been thinking about getting a Ruger SR9c, let me know. If you have the Ruger SR9c, tell me about it. Is yours also two-tone? Did you have a previous version? Do you have the Ruger Security 9? Let me know. Either way, have a great day. You know I got a lot of love for you. All right? Peace.